All right, Jessica, I think it's time to take it to the extreme.
Extreme programming, or XP, emphasizes technical excellence through disciplined software development practices.
The aim of XP is to take beneficial engineering practices to their logical extreme. While XP originated in software development, its core practices such as pair work, rapid feedback, and continuous learning have inspired teams in design, research, and other creative disciplines.
Software engineers using XP engage in test-driven development, pair programming, continuous integration, and small releases, all while working closely with customers. Engineering teams leverage that collaboration to continuously improve the product.
There are many potential benefits of using extreme programming. Its disciplined coding practices can prevent software from becoming more difficult and more expensive to change over time.
XP practices improve software quality and prevent bugs. Continuous customer collaboration also results in software that more precisely meets user needs.
The final benefit is reduced burnout because XP is prescriptive about people working at a sustainable pace.
Now for the potential downsides of XP. Its engineering practices are specifically designed for software development teams, so this methodology can be challenging for other types of teams to adapt and implement. Extreme programming also promotes a lot of face-to-face interaction, which can be difficult for distributed teams or those that can't be with their customers as often.
Engineering practices like test-driven development and pair programming have a learning curve, and they require consistent discipline to maintain.
And finally, XP's collaborative practices become less effective as teams grow in size.
Bottom line, extreme programming is a powerful methodology for engineering teams committed to disciplined engineering practices.